Welcome back to another episode of Excel. Today we're talking about cell formatting and specifically lists and drop-down lists. First, we're going to start off. Let's say Roshan is working in Kitchenette today, and he's complete. He's working type today. Geez, he's also working in room A132. He's in progress today, and maybe Luke is working in the hallway. He is in progress. If you go through this and you have to fill out a whole list of what someone has to do throughout the day, or just in general a list that you're going to have repeating elements and maybe repeating rooms and progress that's repeating, why type it out every time? I'm going to show you how to do a quick drop down list, so you only have to type it out once and just click an arrow. First, we're going to come over, find an area you like. Maybe it's over here, maybe it's on a different sheet. I'm going to go do it a different sheet, and I can always hide that. So we're going to go names. This is just formatting. I always leave the first one blank. That way we can have a blank option and go backwards. Let's say I have Roshan. I have Luke. Pablo. Alec. And Serena. These are the people working with me today. Then the rooms on this job include the boiler room. Come on, geez. The boiler room, the hallway, the kitchenette, A-132, AA Bay, and so on and so forth. You can have as many as you want. And then just for progress, we'll say we have complete in progress, started, and then not started. Next, we're going to go starting. So here's our list. And for this, we're going to come over. Got all of our lists, however many we want or need, and we can set it up so it can be updated here in the future. So first, I'm going to start with all the names. For every spot that I'm going to want a name. Because normally you're going to start here on the home page. You're going to come over here to data validation. Under here where it says allow, come to list, and the source is going to be a blank spot, then however far down you want. And if you have blank spots left over, then that just means you can update it later on and add more names as your job or whatever your list grows throughout time. Okay. And then as you can see, you got your blank spot for that. Click Roshan. It also works if you start off there. Roshan pops up. Click enter. Or go to type Luke. It's all good. Next, we're going to start doing. We're going to do it for the other rows as well. And here, list, source, there, perfect. Do it one last time. Move this out of my way. And this one, I think I'm only ever going to need those four. So I'm just going to leave it at those four. So now we can say Roshan is working, what did we say earlier? Kitchenette. And he's working, he was working A32. He's working in the hallway. Alec is working in He's wearing the AA bay today. Oh, and Luke is also working in the boiler room. See how much faster this is? We can just go through. And just quickly clicking. Makes it so much faster than typing everything out. I hope this video was helpful on helping you learn drop-down lists, and I will see you in the next video.